Okay, me and Michael Ryan are playing disc golf. This is our view. We're about 1,000 feet up. That's Diamond Head. That's a town. That's Michael Ryan. That's a disc. That's a middle finger. We are way up here, and the hole we're shooting for is way down there. I don't know if you can see it.
It's a tree that we're aiming at.
Yeah, it's a tree. Okay, go when you're ready.
I'm gonna fuck this up. Just stay on the path. That'll do.
I think it stayed on the path. I don't think it fell down the ridge.
Good.
You want to switch up?
Yeah.
We'll just keep this rolling. And after my cut, we'll carry it down. Watch it.
Here's Mario P.F. Chang throwing the same little hole that I just threw. Oh.
His went
curve.
way right somehow. It's okay, we'll find it. So now our trek down the mountain. Here's the disc golf bag. Okay. Now there's a little bit of downhill traversing we're gonna have to do. Why don't you show them how it's done, Michael Ryan? That's exactly how it's done. Yep, so this is the first game of disc golf we've played out here in Hawaii so far. And we're on a course, but it's not marked, so we're just picking trees and making stuff up. But it's okay, because that's a view.
Found me.
That's where we were shooting from, up there.
Give him a good shot of everything?
Yeah. Good documentation of everything. Did you find my disc by any chance?
I'm down there. I found mine already. I don't know.
Mine hit and came back here. It might actually have to be down the freaking ridge. Let's see here. I don't see it. We'll find it.